What's going on, guys? It's Wyatt with Impact Battery, and today we've got one of the rigs from Live It Well Adventures, and we're going to attempt to start it with a new style of motorcycle battery. First thing we're going to do is disconnect the starting battery from this 4Runner. This is an Odyssey battery Group 34 Extreme Series at 850 cold cranking amps. This battery has no issues at all turning over this 4.7 liter V8. We're going to replace it with the MotoBatt MHTX16 lithium AGM hybrid motorcycle battery. This is just a motorcycle battery, so we had to fit it with automotive terminals, and we've used the spacers that are included with the battery in order to make it fit. The test that we have going on is a start-stop test to see how long this battery is going to last, or until we get bored. Upon replacing a battery in a 4Runner like this, the first start is actually a false start. This is to ensure all the electronics inside of the vehicle are going to work before ignition occurs. Last but not least, we're going to disconnect the auxiliary battery just to show there's no funny business going on. Now let's see what happens. Alright, so here we go. Let's isolate the starting battery from the auxiliary battery. And first start from Toyota always does this. And there we go. And there's start 3. Start 4. Start 5. Start 6. Start 7. Start 8. Start 9. Start 10. Well, that was surprising. We got 10 starts out of this, and let's see what the battery test for voltage. We're still at 1337.
I wonder if we can show what it drops down to while it's starting.
Sure. Give that a shot. At this point, we decided to check the voltage of the battery while it was starting. When testing batteries while motorcycles are starting, we like to see 10 volts and up. As you can see here, while trying to start this V8, we consistently got above 11 volts. That really shows you the power of this lithium AGM hybrid from MotoBatt. Alright, not gonna lie, that was a little bit surprising that motorcycle battery is able to start this 4.7 liter V8. We're gonna keep taking this battery, trying to start other vehicles to see what this battery is able to do and see where it's going to stop starting these vehicles. We have no idea. So make sure you like, subscribe, share, check out our other videos. Keep along with our journey. We're gonna have more videos to come and see how far we can actually push this battery.